Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the popular Instagram filters. So if you want to see how to do it, definitely stay tuned. First thing you want to do obviously is open up your Instagram page. So there are three ways for you to get Instagram filters. The first one is to search for the person's name. So I'm going to search for Barbara. This person right here, that's her. Okay, so when you open up our page, you're going to see this smiley face right there. You want to click that and then you're going to see all the filters that she has. She has a couple cute filters. Her filters are actually really nice. So let's search for one that I think I might like. Let's do this one. So when you click on this one, what you want to do is click on try it, and when you click on try it, you're going to see yourself with that filter. So as you can see, it's really cute. The next thing you want to do is just click on little flower right there at the bottom, and you're going to see save effect, and then you save it. So once you save that, what you want to do is go and check whether you actually have it. So basically just act like you want to add a story, and as you can see right to the left of my shutter, whatever that thing is called, you're going to see the filter right there, and then you can also take videos with it. Okay, and that is one way for you to get it. Another way that you can get their filter is by going on someone's story that actually used one of those filters. So I'm going to go to my second page. I have two Instagram pages. I'm going to go to my second page and view my story from there, just so you guys see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is me right here, and I'm just going to tap on my story, and as you can see, I posted a story with a filter right there, and at the top you're going to see where it says butterfly. Oh my gosh, it says butterfly look from ERGER, and then what you want to do is click on that, and you're going to see it right there. You can now try it to see if you want it, and once you feel like you like it, just go ahead and save it just like we did before. Or you don't necessarily have to try it, you can just click on save effect directly and you'll be able to save it. So that is another way that you can get the filters. The last way that you can get the filter obviously is by searching. Okay, so you just act like you want to post a story, and you're going to scroll all the way to the end, and you're going to see this button right there that says browse effects. You just want to click on that, and then you're going to see a couple of effects. Just go ahead and look and search, and you might actually find one that you like. So those are the three ways that you can find filters on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. I'm going to have all the list of people that I feel like they have cute filters on their page, so you guys can check it out and just try out some filters for yourself. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and obviously follow me on Instagram. Like what? Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.